Hello and welcome to the channel, a platform where you learn new skills that will save time and boost your work productivity. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to ensure you are notified whenever a new video is added. So, let's get started. ISLOGICAL function returns true if the value supplied, or the value in the cell referred, is a logical value. Logical value means true or false. That means if the value is true or false, the function returns a true else false. In this case, we will check if value in the selected cell is a logical value and return true, otherwise false. You can observe that for logical values, true and false, the function has returned true, and for other values it has returned false. Hopefully, now you have a good understanding on how to use ISLOGICAL function. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not already, then please do subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss any updates.